Digital Lectures. I'm Friha Sufyan and I warmly welcome you all on the platform of Digital Academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, I am going to tell you some teaching techniques for heavy and light objects. So first, what you are going to do is, you are going to show your students flashcards of two objects and ask your students to name them. In a small voice, yani means you must have a low voice, small voice, yes? Which one is light? You are going to say like, which one is light? So, help your student point to the light item. Okay, in the other way, you are going to say in afterward that thing, after identification of light thing, what you are going to say? In a louder voice, you are going to say that, you are going to ask from your students, which one is heavy? Once again, encourage your students to point to the correct one, offering help if needed. And one more thing is this, then you are going to start heavy and light objects from this activity as well. From this attached sheet, you can see this attached sheet over here. This is over here. This is just cut and paste activity. From this activity, the students are going to just check the things, which one is heavy and which one is light, and then they are going to just tell you that this is heavy and this one is light. Okay, for the science activity, I have taken sorting and pasting activity. Weight various objects on scale and place in heavy or light basket. Then afterwards, you are going to drop various objects of extreme, for example, a feather and a rock. These are extreme. This one, feather, is the lightest one. You already know that. And the rock is the heaviest one. So that's why we have taken these things in extreme. The reason for it is because we can easily say that this is heavy and this is light. Okay. And determine whether this one is heavy or light. Do tell this thing to your students. We are going to do engineering section. For engineering section, arrange your toys or objects in a group of heavy or light objects. You must have toys in your classes. You must have decorated them in a proper way. So you can just see over here, this picture is also enough for you to tell the main extreme, that is the heavy object should be over here on the table, for example, and the light object should be here in a caption. Caption means मैंने उसकी heading डाली है, ठीक है? Heading के साथ मैं उसकी line बनाकर उसको section wise distribute करके आपको बताएंगे कि this section is for heavy and this section is for light object. Now for the art section, you are going to instruct your student that color light and heavy lines using dark and light colors. For example, for light things, you are going to instruct your student and they are going to do light colors, means कम color के, कुछ color जो जिनके धीमे colors होते हैं, लाइट कलर्स होते हैं, वो इन्होंने इस्तेमाल करने हैं. और डार्क कलर्स किसके लिए यूज़ करने हैं, जैसे मार्कर्स हो गए और डार्क पेंसिल्स हो गए, वो किसके लिए यूज़ करने हैं, या क्रेयॉन, वो उन्होंने यूज़ करने हैं हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट्स के लिए. ये भी एक अच्छी एक्टिविटी है आर्ट के लिए. इसके अलावा आप क्या कर सकते हैं, ये वाली जो वर्कशीट है जो आपको स्क्रीन पे अपनी नजर आ रही है, ये वर्कशीट आपने अपने बच्चों को देनी है. किसके लिए, कलरिंग के लिए. किसकी कलरिंग के लिए, हैवी एंड लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट की कलरिंग. For the math section, instruct your students to take light and heavy step activity. Okay, step means this step, your foot, take step by step from your foot. You can integrate a stop and go into the activity by counting steps. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Teacher is going to say stop, okay? Then, teacher is going to say go. And then they are going to say, for example, instruct them to have light step. Light step means and heavy means thumb, thumb, thumb. In this way, they are going to say like heavy and light steps. Okay, count 10 heavy steps and 10 light steps. So in this way, the teacher is going to involve in the class and the counting will also be done, as well as they are going to get this counting of heavy and light steps as well. Hope you are going to implement these activities in your classes. We'll get back to you with more interesting teaching techniques. Till then, you need to take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.